Today I'm going to be reupholstering the seat covers on the Kawasaki Mule. This is the bench. It's damaged. Thankfully the foam is not too bad, so I'm going to just remove these covers. In this one I'm going to repaint the bottom board so it keeps a good insulation from moisture, because this paint is already fading, and get the new one installed. So this is how the old seat looks like. Really bad. This material is much thicker than the new one. We'll see. So here at the bottom I'm going to start removing all the staples just to remove this cover. These are the tools that I'm going to be using to upholster the seat. I'm going to be using this pneumatic gun with staples T50 from Arrow. I'm going to be using adhesive spray to glue the foam to the board. I bought a sponge cutter, large one, 10 inches long, sander, and the seat cover. And then I have this massive piece of foam. And a way to remove the staple in an easy way is just using like a screwdriver as a lever. Just grab it like this and roll it over the screwdriver. You don't have to be pulling. Just like that. And the magnet will help get them all out. Like that. Oh yeah, check this out. Someone has been living here. Nice cozy place for sure. You can see where the mouse was traveling. I'm going to start removing the old foam from the board. Looks like it's only glue in the corners. I'm going to show you what I just found. Check this out. Our little friend. For what I see, there is not much glue applied, just in the corners, so I'm going to do the same way. So this is the bottom of the board. The foam goes in the other side, so because it's going to be exposed to humidity, I'm going to soak it in linseed oil. Can be painted like original, but I think that linseed oil is going to be better. It's pretty dry, so it's going to soak in really quickly. You can see it's already being soaked in. So I'm going to proceed cutting the foam. I'm leaving approximately 1 inch on each side, so then I can cut it at an angle the way it was originally, so it is not just a square like this. Sharpie, more less. And probably you can use any kitchen knife. Oh my god, this is cutting amazing. But I usually have one. I don't have a big one. This is cutting really good. I mean, no, I recommend buying something like this. Forget about kitchen knives. Look at this. Wow. Don't forget to put this bracket back before the glue up. And I'm gonna mask up because This spray has a lot of volatile crap. Alright. Only in the edges. Put it just like that. 45 pounds and another 45. So I'm cutting the phone already, and what I'm going to do is, in this case, this is the front. Instead of cutting perpendicular like that, I'm just going to do a little bit of an angle, which is the way the original was. And then whatever sharp edge I have here, I'll cut it as well. And last, I'm gonna cut this edge similar to this one. Well, and this is it. It's not perfect, but it will get the job done. This is my first upholster job, so I think I'm winning. This is symmetric, so either way will work. Oh yeah, tight and snug. Pretty good. Looks actually pretty good. All these wrinkles will go away when I start to put tension and with the staples, like so. Alright, let's start rock and rolling. So this came out really nice with the linseed oil, really nice. Alright, so I'm going to start from the center to the side in both sides. So pull a little bit like this, just like a 3/4 of an inch. And here in the front. Don't shoot yourself on the finger. Oh, ran out. Reload. When I get to this spot which these two pieces are sewn together, I just put a few more staples, because this is thick material, just like that. This is far from professional upholstery, that for sure, but it will work. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's flip this thing and see how it looks like. Well, I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, let's put it on its place and see how it looks like. Ooh, looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. Alright, let me check it out. How comfy this is. Ooh. Oh yeah. Pretty good. This is a win. And as you can see, I already did the backrest. So it looks perfect. Looks and feels great. Final assembly. Alright, let's take a look to this bad boy with the right light. Check this out. Comfy. This is the bottom. Treated with linseed oil. Really nice. Alright, let's check it out. Wow. Now we're talking. Super comfy. Let's check it out for a ride. It's our super comfy now. Thank you for watching.